So let's see if there is any differences in standard £10 Boss filter for gear. Foot to the floor. See what it sounds like in neutral. Right, we'll put the new filter in, the K&N filter. Any throttle control difference, any performance difference. So you all know about K&N air filters. They're less restrictive to air going through for combustion. So the more air you have, the better combustion. It's supposed to make your MPGs better, throttle response better, and in some cases it can increase your horsepower to 3 or 4 horses. Now it is, I did want to find out, I think it's pre-oiled. It's pre-oiled. You're not supposed to have to change this and take it out and clean it until 50,000 miles. It all depends where you're driving. If you're off-roading and that, obviously more dirt. It's oiled because if you watch this now, there's a lot more airflow coming through that than you would be in the paper filters. They're very, very restrictive. So there's layers and layers of fibres, and it's oiled to keep hold of the smaller dust particles getting into the engine. Now my Picasso C3 isn't a sports car. It's about 98 brake, so I'm hoping it's going to give a bit more oomph, bit more throttle response, being a HDI, sorry. And I wanted to replace it again. You buy it once and it lasts. Supposed to be £50, and it got reduced over a few days to 32. Then it went up to £34, and now it stands at £45. So I got it at 34. Yeah, so it says clean every 50,000 miles. Depends on dusty conditions. As such, we're tough on dirt, thousands of microscopic cotton threads absorb. So there's layers of filtration, medium, part, protects health. Our replacement air filters are built so well that we warranty them for 1,000,000 miles. So yeah, it's you buy it once and that's about it. You do, I think the cans, you get a cleaning can and the oil can to oil it once you've cleaned it. I think it's £10 for the set. Plus it says here, over 100 million disposable air filters are discarded each year. So you're doing your bit for wastage, keeping wastage down, while giving your car a boost. Your engine will thank you for getting air in there. Everything about it is to do with air to make things burn. And to add to that, I've done a carbon clean. It's on the channel of my car, and the carbon build up was unreal. So that's been cleaned as well. So yeah, good addition to complement the carbon clean. They are a bit of a nightmare to get into because they're underneath the panel in here. There's the old filter. I've done quite a bit on this. This is all I do. Gasket seals, new fuel lines, all these have been taken out and cleaned properly. I've took the manifold off, all resealed, the throttle body's been off, cleaned, not done anything with the turbo. It's had a new breather in it. The next job I was doing on here, there was a lot of build up on the EGR valve inlet. The EGR valve is down there, and there's the fuel filter, and they're the two jobs we're doing next. It's nearly at 150,000, so what's the leak there? That's a bit low, isn't it? Let's sort that up. 150,000, near 150, so I want to get another 150 out of it. So yeah, I'm just treating it to all new parts and clean and stuff like that. Right, I'll go get the other filter. Right, if you're doing a C3 Picasso, is to take the MAF sensor off so you can get the lid out and the filter out. And now you see the difference. You can't see any gaps in that. It's very tight. Where the new, there's a lot more breathing space there. As you can see, it's all greased up. There's grease on the sides. So that's all intake put together with a K&N filter. Let's give it a go. Alright, let's go into warp speed. I don't think it's going to make that much difference, to be honest, but if anything, you're saving £10 a year. Oh. Definitely on the throttle control, it's definitely got that little bit more oomph. Let's put my seatbelt on, Anna. Definitely got that response time. I'm not just saying that because I'm not getting any money for it or anything. Oh, it's definitely got some. It's definitely got more pull. Difference now, maybe because the chances are, even if it's a standard filter, you put a standard filter in, but because it's new, you will feel that difference. But that has definitely got more pull, and the response just touching the throttle is a lot better, a lot smoother. Now, because there's more air in there as well getting in, it's gonna take less fuel to cause combustion, which the MPGs should be improved. So all in all, I needed to change it anyway, so I've paid an extra 22 quid to not have to buy one again and get definitely a little bit of performance boost. And as we all know, at the moment, air is free and fuel isn't. So the more air you can get in, the more fuel you can save, the more pennies you can save for the other things in life. So yeah, I will be doing, I'm going to do a DPF clean on it because 147,079 mile. I'll do a DPF clean because now and again anti-pollution. So I think the DPF needs cleaning out, so I'll be doing that. If you want to check it out, 1.6 HDI engine. There's a few videos on the channel, and yeah, if you like the content, please drop us a like and subscribe. Only a little channel, just started off, so yeah, hopefully for them people that don't know how to do it and to see what products do help the car, yeah, tag along. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.